Maxtrix or Maxwood case pieces in general all come fully assembled. The only thing that doesn't come fully assembled is our bookcases. The cool thing about the bookcase is that all the hardware is already inserted into the bookcase itself. So it's literally just a matter of putting it together with a rubber mallet or flat hand. It's pretty unique. So all pre-assembled. Nightstands, which we just took out of the box. There's a few strings. The reason why we put the strings on is actually so that you can actually pull the drawer out. And the only thing we ask the client to do, i.e. yourself, it is literally just to take the knob, and the knob is on the inside, and the reason for that is so that it doesn't get damaged due to shipping. So when you've done that, taking the knob off, you literally just take the screw out, put it on the inside. Now you've got the thread outside, and then you just put the knob on. So every time you get a case piece from Maxwood, Maxtrix, the knobs are color coded. So when you get a white nightstand like you have now, you get a white knob. We have a lot of different choices. We have crystal knobs, we've got metal knobs that you can buy separately to create the look that you really wish for. But now it's done. Put it back in, soft close. How nice is that?